Good afternoon, guys. I am so excited for whoever this word is for. As I stated in the previous words I posted today, the Lord had me in the book of Mark. Now, this month, November, is Justice November. Not only that, but it's also the month where there's a restoration of gifts, there's a restoration of talents, okay? And due to this, many of you guys are going to start operating more through your talents and gifts. You're going to be blessed with wisdom, you're going to be blessed with understanding, you're going to be blessed with the gift of encouragement, the gift of faith, and you are going to be utilizing these gifts and talents in every area, whether it be school, whether it be in the law office, whether it be in ministry, whether it be online. Your life is about to change for the best. Your name is about to be well known. You are going to go global, or you are going to go viral. News is going to get back to people who knew you.